Hi kids! Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning alphabets with Dumbo. Yes, Dumbo the flying elephant. So let's start. We have to find out here's my magnifying glass, and here are all the elephants from the circus of Dumbo's. Yes, here I got. Here is R. Here I got another one. W. Here another one. S. Here is the letter Z. Oh, on the elephant's big ear, I have got B. Here is the word. Here is the letter I. Here is the letter B. Wow, I'm getting them all. Here is the letter T. Here is the letter F. What is this? This is the letter U, I think. No? Oh no, it's not. Oh, here is the letter J. This is the letter O. Letter A. What else? I'm looking with my magnifying glass everywhere. Here is the letter Q. Oh, I find K. Oh, I find E. Here is the letter. What letter is this, kids? Can you guess? Yes, it is G. And what else? Where is it? We still need to find D, H, L, M, U, V, X, Y. So many letters still we need to find out. Okay. Oh, here is N. Oh, I can't find it yet. Where are you? Oh, here I got one. This is B. See? And I have only 2 minutes left. Find out where is it. Oh no, my points are gone for wrong click, but I can't still find out the letter D. Friends, can you see the letter D? X. I found the letter X. I still need to find out these 4 alphabets D, H, L, and M. I can't find anything here. Okay friends, so today we learned the numbers with Disney Dumbo. Yes, the flying elephant. As you can see, these are all the elephants in the circus of Dumbo's. Yes, where the Dumbo live in the circus area. These are the elephants there, and these are the alphabets we found, and we couldn't found D, H, and L are hidden somewhere which we couldn't found. But today we have learned all the alphabets. So kids, say with me all the alphabets. Let's learn the alphabets with Dumbo from Disney, the flying elephant. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know next time, won't you sing with me? So kids, I hope you enjoyed this video learning alphabets with Dumbo the flying elephant. Yes, so see you in my next video and keep watching and subscribe.